Hello kiddos and welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. I'm your teacher Miss Hera and today I'm here with a new sound for you. So let's get cracking with the revision of some of our previously learned sounds. If you remember these sounds, say them out loud, otherwise repeat after me. Ow, oi, f, o, I, e, a, u, a, e, o, a. Kudos! I'm glad that you remember all these sounds. So let's begin our today's story. Remember, you have to listen to the story carefully because the sound is hidden in the story. This is the story of this little boy whose name is Birds. Bert's teacher, Mr. Bird, has been reading The Gingerbread Man to the class. When Bert gets home, he asks if he can make some gingerbread for supper. First, he and his sister, Jennifer, help to weigh the butter, sugar, flour, eggs, and the ground ginger. Then they put all the ingredients in a bowl and stir. Goes the mixer. Bert and Jennifer roll their hands over and over, pretending to be the mixer. Uh, 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 Just like this, they go. Next, Bert and Jennifer roll out their mixture, cut out the gingerbread shapes, and bake them in the oven. When the gingerbread has cooked and cooled, Bert decorates the biscuit with frosting and currants. He makes a special biscuit to take into school for his teacher. And this was the story of our today's sound. Did you hear any sound in today's story? What was the sound when they were rolling their hands and pretending to be the mixer? It was uh, uh, uh. And this is our today's sound. If you want to write this sound, you need to write a and together and it sound Got it? Now let's quickly do the action with me and say the sound again. You need to roll your hands over each other like a mixer and say uh. And now it's time to write it. Fingers up in the air. Make a and then Together they make We know how to write both these letters, right? So now is the time to take out your notebooks or this worksheet to write the sound in it. Don't forget to say the sound when you are writing it. Pause the video, finish this paper, write in the cutouts, then in the blue lines. I hope you have done this paper now. So let's move forward and work on this worksheet. Here we have to circle the pictures that have a sound in them. The sound is and this is ginger and pencils. Ginger, pencils. Ginger. We have and ginger. Again, bottle and butter. Bottle, butter. Butter. Mixer, goat. Mixer, goat. Mixer. Parrot, flower. Parrot, flower. Flower. Cloud, beaker. Cloud, beaker. Beaker. Yippee! You are amazing. Now here is one more worksheet where we will put a check below the pictures that have the sound in them and cross out the others. Listen to the names of the pictures carefully and start doing the worksheet. Diver, diver. Do you hear a in diver? Yes, we do. Road, road, a road. We don't have a in road. Picture, picture. Do you hear a in picture? Yes, we hear it at the end. Carpet, carpet. Do you have a in carpet? No, we don't. Joker, joker. Do we hear a in joker? Yes, we do. Eardrops, eardrops. Do we hear a in eardrops? Nope, we don't. It's awesome, you got all the sound correctly. Now it's time to draw a picture here in which you can hear the sound. Pause the video, finish your work, and when you are done, we can move forward to the blending time. You can mute the video, blend these words yourself, and if you want to do with me, go ahead. Her. Quickly. Her. Heard. Heard. Quickly. Heard. Verb. Verb. Quickly. Verb. E. Rev. Quickly. River. Once again. River. F. E. Thing. G. G. Finger. Quickly. Finger. Excellent. And with this, it's time to do some segmenting practice. Open your notebooks, keep your pencils ready, and there you go. Listen to the words carefully, put a dot for each sound, and then write down the letters. Okay? The first word is her. It's her pencil. Let's write it. Her. Next word is bumper. Bumper. Let's spell bum first. Bum. Per. Let's write it. Bum. Bumper. The bumper of the car is broken. Bumper. Let's try writing the word verb. Verb. Sound out. B. Verb. Write it down. B. Verb. Next word is perfect. Perfect. Sound out. Per. F. A. K. T. Fact. Let's write it. Per. F. A. K. T. Fact. Perfect. Perfect. You are perfect. Now let's write the last word is pamper. My mother pampers me a lot. Let's sound out. P. A. Pam. P. Per. Write it down. P. A. Pam. P. Per. Pam. Per. Quickly. Pamper. Hooray! This was an amazing segmenting practice. And with this, you deserve a gift. So your gift is coming on the screen. And there you go. You have to color in the pictures which have the sound in them. I'm saying the names of these pictures once. Listen to them carefully. It's a cutter, baker, car, marker, chicken. Say these words out loud, listen to the sound, and only color in the pictures where you hear right? And at the end is your homework, and this is fun to do. The first thing that you have to do is collect 5 things in which you hear the sound and try writing their names, right? And the activity which you have to do is with a board marker, draw some fish on a silver spoon and smoothly transfer it into a tub of water. You will see them floating. Yes, it will happen. Just try making a fish on the back of your silver spoon. You can get it from your kitchen and then smoothly transfer this to a water tub or a water trough, and this fish will float on this water, right? With this is the end of our today's class. I hope you liked it. If yes, so give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.